During the course of this video, we're going to show you how to connect the 6300 tester to a device under test, also known as a DUT. Run the sequence and view test results. It is highly recommended that you watch part 1 of the 6000 series video before watching this demonstration. Don't forget to visit our website at www.hipot.com to find out more information on electrical safety testing. Now, we're going to show you how to connect the 6330 to a DUT and run the test sequence we have set up. To connect the 6330 to the DUT, you're going to need the following accessories: the high voltage lead, the 40 amp high current return clip lead, the 40 amp high current clip lead, the case lead, the ground lead, black DUT input line test lead, black DUT input neutral test lead, white DUT output line test lead, white DUT output neutral test lead, line leakage adapter box. You will only need to use the white output leads for the run and line leakage tests if your DUT draws more than 20 amps of current. Otherwise, you can use the line leakage adapter box to simplify your connection to the DUT. For this video demonstration, we will be using the adapter box and case lead to make the connections to our DUT. First, we need to connect an external power supply for our line leakage tests. This also applies to the run tests. The 6330 does not contain an internal power supply for powering up the DUT, so an external power supply must be used. Remove the cover plate on the rear panel of the 6330 to access the DUT power input connections. These terminals provide the connections from an external power source to the 6330. Use the two black DUT input cables to connect to an unbalanced single-phase power source. In this example, we're going to connect to an Associated Power Technologies 5020 2K VA power supply. Note that the 220 to 240 volt US style line power cord is not suitable to connect the DUT inputs. Next, we're going to connect the adapter box. These connections provide power to the DUT during a run or line leakage test. Connect the adapter box to the line, neutral, and ground terminals on the rear panel of the 6330. Connect the black case lead to the case terminal. The case lead provides a return path for the Hipot, ground bond, and IR tests. It is isolated during the run and line leakage tests. To connect the DUT to the 6330, simply plug the 3-prong cord of the DUT into the adapter box. Connect the case lead to the chassis or to the dead metal on the DUT. Close the DUT enclosure door, stand back, and push the test button to run your test sequence. Notice that when running the line leakage test, the fault conditions LEDs illuminate to show you which fault conditions are occurring during each leakage test. Once your test sequence has completed, use the up and down arrow keys to review your results.